Welcome to this introductory resource on proofreading produced by the Splash Learning Development team. Splash have created this resource because lots of students across the university request for Splash to proofread their work. However, we do not offer a proofreading service, although we can offer strategies on how to undertake proofreading yourself. This is because part of our ethos is to promote students in taking ownership of their work so that you can become independent learners by self-assessing your own work. Learning how to proofread your own work is an important skill to develop and enhance the quality of your work that you produce at university, but it is also useful in other areas of your academic, personal, and professional lives. By the end of this short introductory resource, you will be able to define what proofreading is and identify the types of work that proofreading can apply to, recognise issues in your work that you may need to look out for when proofreading your work, appreciate the importance of proofreading in the context of your academic and professional lives, and identify the best time to proofread your work, and also be able to locate further sources of support to help you with proofreading. But before we start talking about proofreading why do we do it and when should it be done? We want to start with a key message that your writing doesn't have to be perfect from the start. Writing is in fact quite a messy process, and it is through the later stages of editing and proofreading that we can actually refine our writing. To put this idea into perspective a little better, it can be useful to look at all of the processes or stages within writing, which we often call the writing cycle. As you can see from the writing cycle, there are lots of stages before you reach the proofreading stage of your work. If you are interested in finding out about the different stages within the writing cycle and how they might be useful to you, why not download the PDF about the writing cycle available on the Splash website? Now that we have drawn your attention to this, let's begin to look at what proofreading actually is, why it is important in academic writing.